Day one, Positano, heading up to Tese Di Positano, highest point looking over the town towards the coastline, and it's about an hour and 10-minute trek to get there. Pretty high up, it's quite steep, probably not the normal thing you'd do in Positano. You'd probably be at some swanky bar or on the beach, but we've decided to trek up hour and 10-minute hike to get to the highest point so we can see the view before the sunset. And we've got a few beers and we've got a few snacks, so it should be quite nice. Yeah, it is quite a trek. There's a lot of steps in Positano. Probably not even halfway there. We've got to get up these steep steps. Wow. We are having to work for our beer today. Go on holiday, they said. Take a break. You're looking tired, you need a vacation. Go to Positano and climb 3,000 steps. Oh, yeah, working hard today. First major viewpoint, and that looks amazing. Look at all the boats out at sea. That's pretty spectacular, isn't it? Just walked up hundreds of steps. I just found this lift right behind me. Just found the next set of steps we've got to take. Absolutely loving it. Let's get to it. We're pretty high up now. Yeah, we've actually made it to the outer road, the main road that runs around Positano. So we made it that far, which is quite high up. We're climbing even further. I think we're almost at the point of the hiking trail now. Feels like we've walked miles. We haven't even made it to the hiking trail yet. We're getting there. Oh dear. So this could now be the start of the actual hiking trail. That is definitely the view across Positano, and we are pretty high up, looking right above the town. The sun will eventually go down, and we should get a really nice sunset overlooking Positano. Anyway, that's the plan. Let's see what happens. Onwards and upwards, let's get cracking. See what other little surprises are up here. We're getting there, slowly, slowly. Piano, piano. The next major thing is being attacked by mosquitoes. So we're gonna have to take a little break and get covered in mosquito repellent. We're getting there, we're almost there. Yeah, what a trek. Wow, and the view's incredible. So if you like high points, viewpoints, watching sunsets, that type of thing, then I think it's probably well worth doing. It's just really hard work. It's not far, just up there, look, that's where it is, just there, not far now. Feels like we've been climbing for an eternity, and we're still probably a good 25 minutes away. Piano, piano, we're getting there, slowly but surely, for the incredible sunset view over Positano, and then we can tell you whether it's worth doing or not. Wow, that was a hell of a climb, but we think we finally made it. Slightly off the beaten track here, but we found a church and a restaurant. Aren't we lucky? Yeah, I think we possibly found a nice little spot, but not easy to get to. You can see a pathway just here. So I'm going to keep walking through here, and not really concerned that much about how we're going to get back yet, but I don't think we're going to walk down again. There's been quite a lot of cars and buses along the roads here, so we can just get a bus, hopefully back down. We just got to get back off of this kind of track here, which is not really very well marked, but I think we've got a nice viewpoint here overlooking Positano, so we're going to keep going. Is this it? This could well be it. Could well be it. Oh, yeah. I think that might be the view that we were after. How about that? Okay, so we found it. We found the view. No more messing around. Let's get the camera set up. Let's get the last bit of light. Oh dear, had to work for that. Cheers. And there we are, on top of the world. Well, on top of Positano, at least. Got the time lapse running. Hopefully that was worth the hour and a half it took to climb up here. And there is no way we are climbing back down in low light, because that was pretty dangerous in parts. So we're probably going to have to find a taxi or a bus or something to take us down. But that's a great view. That's the view we were looking for. We had to work a little bit harder to get it, but we found it. Amazing views here.